Hello and welcome back to Stock Markets with KR. This is the Swing Trading Opportunities video, and I am UR. For a change, KR is busy conducting his webinars, and last evening I also attended that webinar, and I really liked it. He is so good at explaining complex things and making it so easy for his trainees to understand. तो अगर आपको ये वेबिनार इनका जो है ट्रेनिंग अटेंड करनी है, तो प्लीज गेट इन टच with him, send him a DM, and he will let you know when the next batch is going to start. Most likely it will be in the month of March. So coming back to swing trading opportunities, friends, निफ्टी का हाल पीटा हुआ है, बुरा है, and all this is because Nifty is going through a rough patch on account of HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance, Infosys, TCS, metals. All these scripts have beaten Nifty down to anything. Fortunately, Bank Nifty is not as bad as Nifty looks like. And if you want to know the details about the numbers के कहाँ पे क्या है, support Nifty का कहाँ पे है, Bank Nifty का support कहाँ पे है, तो please go and watch the data driven analysis, weekly analysis video that has been posted by me only, and that will give you all that is needed for निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी रिलेटेड थिंग. सो मार्केट किस दिशा में जा सकती है उसके बारे में इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे. कौन से सेक्टर चलने की संभावना है, कौन सी स्क्रिप्ट्स, कौन से शेयर्स चलने की संभावना है अगले हफ्ते में. कृपया ध्यान रखिए कि ऑन 1st of February is the budget day, and there is wild swing expected ahead during and after the budget. So 31st January, 1st February, 2nd February are most crucial days. These 3 days can actually make you a millionaire, or as KR yesterday was make talking to his trainees, millionaire means आपको नील बना सकता है. कृपया ध्यान करके ट्रेड कीजिएगा, and that is what I have mentioned in my note here also. That it's an important thing. Nifty closed at 1710 and these are the sectors which are looking good on monthly basis. And interestingly, these sectors, most of them are also looking good on weekly basis. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, दो सेक्टर यहाँ से चूज करूंगा. One is Bank Nifty and the other one is Pharma. And the reason also I will explain to you. Let's look at Bank Nifty here. एंड बैंक निफ्टी, ये वीकली चार्ट है बैंक निफ्टी का. RSI 60 के ऊपर है, बुलिश कैंडल अहेड, एंड this is in line with the overall trend. This moving average, 20 weekly moving average, also is also looking good. Let us look at the monthly candle as well. Okay, this is the monthly candle. Now let's look at the weekly candle. If bank nifty, this is nifty. Okay, I guess, this is bank nifty. So here it is just sitting on the monthly weekly moving average, very critical point. Nifty, bank nifty thoda down gaya, 60 ka resistance liya over here, because it was above the just hitting the 20 moving average, but then it has come down and now trying to move up. I expect bank nifty to lead the show along with IT if nifty has to come up. And if you look at the daily chart of bank nifty is above 20 moving average on the line actually, and it's at an interesting pace. So ये भी almost वही दिखा रहा है जो weekly moving average दिखा रही थी. थोड़ा downward है, but you should by now know that ग्रैंडफादर फादर सन थियरी के हिसाब से अगर बैंक निफ्टी देखा जाए तो इज लुकिंग बुलिश, बिकॉज द ग्रैंडफादर इज on the upside. So let's see what happens. The next sector that I'm going to pick up is Nifty Pharma, and there is this because by now you know how to analyze the sectors. Now I am looking at Nifty Pharma for a different reason altogether. Nifty Pharma is at a monthly support of 20 moving average, RSI just breaking 60. If you see in the past, RSI has never been broken, uh, below 60, and this sector has bounced back. So this time, why I'm saying, I'm looking at the context. Is everything so bad globally and within India? No. Well, there are problems, there are challenges and issues. वो तो चलते ही रहेंगे. Lifelong there will be problems and issues and challenges, but it is not as bad as it was earlier. And that is why I think pharma could be a contra sector. I am probably risking my analysis, but this is what I feel. Let's look at the pharma weekly chart. It is obviously down, but I see a change of polarity over here, which is the earlier resistances, earlier support levels आ सकते हैं काम में. थोड़ा नीचे आएगा बराबर है, लेकिन ये 40 सपोर्ट पे है, वीकली 40 सपोर्ट. एंड अर्लियर फ्रॉम हियर ओनली इट हैज मूव्ड अप. So this is a good thing. Month भी खत्म हो चुका है. And let's look at pharma daily. Pharma daily is giving a positive sign because it appears to be consolidating over here, though it is way below 40. बट वीकली पे 40 पे है. RSI 60 मंथली पे थोड़ा ब्रेक हो चुका है, बट 20 मंथली मूविंग एवरेज का सपोर्ट है. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग सिचुएशन है फार्मा में. तो यू नीड टू dig out few scripts, in pharma. We have already covered pharma and Nifty Bank here. So weekly and monthly is done. Now coming to stocks, and there is a big list. So मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैंने जो पहले कभी सेक्टर लिए नहीं होंगे वो सेक्टर, आई मीन स्क्रिप्ट ली नहीं होगी, वो स्क्रिप्ट मैं पिकअप करूंगा. जैसे कि मंगलम सीमेंट, एक्सेलिया एंड टीसीएस. टीसीएस क्योंकि बायबैक है, इसके लिए तीन स्क्रिप्ट. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम चूजिंग. सो मंगलम सीमेंट, मंगलम सीमेंट, मंगलम cement. Yes, Mangalam cement. It is just below 20 moving average on daily chart. Let us look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart also facing some resistance, and monthly chart is looking not that bad. RSI on the line है. तो मंथली चार्ट के हिसाब से अगर बजट में कुछ ऐसा रिफॉर्म आ गया विच इज गोइंग टू हेल्प द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेक्टर, देन इन मंगलम सीमेंट कैन प्रूव टू बी अ गुड वन. The next, as I said, I will look at is Excelia. Why? Because I have not looked at the script in any of these videos earlier. So that is why it is this script belongs to a BPO sitting on 20 moving average, weekly moving average. Let's look at the monthly moving. मंथली कहाँ पे ये मंथली है, 20 मंथली मूविंग एवरेज पे है. वेरी गुड साइन. इफ इट इज सिटिंग ऑन अ वीकली बेसिस, इट इज शोइंग डाउन. RSI 40 के आसपास ही है. तो थोड़ा, और ये बाउंस आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे बाउंस होके ऊपर गया है. So RSI, I take it as that if it has to go up, then RSI support will be at 40 on weekly, which will be a great thing. And if you look at the daily chart, there is a bounce already from the lower levels. It has come up, and this, in my opinion, is a good opportunity because this script, you have to be very careful in trading this script because इनमें spread बहुत रहते हैं वाइट एक्सेलिया में. Either liquidity is somewhat an issue in this script, but you have to be a long term player, purely a long term player. Then only this script is good. TCS, जिसका बायबैक है 450 के ऊपर. सो दैट इज वाई दिस इज चेंज इन पोलैरिटी. सपोर्ट फॉर टीसीएस गोइंग अप. वीकली डेली 40 सपोर्ट पे रेस्ट लेके ऊपर चला है ये. वीकली पे देखते हैं. वीकली पे इट इज just on the line of 20 moving average, though weekly is breaking 60 RSI. But let us look at the monthly picture. It will be clear. Monthly, it is clearly in an uptrend above 60 RSI, though coming down daily at 40. And this is, in my opinion, is a good script. In fact, KR has bought this script yesterday. He bought at 3687 and he may put in some more money into it on Monday. So this is how it is looking like. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And in case you want to get trained or mentored by trainer by KR, please do not hesitate to contact him on his DM, and he will be happy to help you out. Please be careful while trading in the especially on the first 3 days in the market. I wish you all the very best, and may your trades go out well. Please analyze and do due diligence of your trades, as we are not